Hello, my viewers. Once more, you're welcome to my channel, Peace of God Global Ministry. I'm so happy for my viewers for your support. Thank you so much. People have been giving testimonies concerning our videos, and we are going viral more and more. It's only by your support that we're able to do this to that level. Anywhere, wherever you are watching the video from, I greet you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on your location. Also, once more, God bless you. In this video today, I am going to show you the power in herbs. There's a particular leaf I will show you. When you watch the video, you see it. We call it do as I say leaf. This do as I say leaf is very, very powerful. And it's a common leaf. Within your environment, everybody sees it, but some people don't know about it, they neglect it. And they will expose you in this video one or two uses of this particular do as I say leaf that will marvel you. And when you get this one, you'll be surprised. A question of going up and down, running head basket out to see what we are going to do with the offer, and you'll be happy. So in this video, I will show you one of the first remedy is one. Do as I say is very, very good to attract customers in a shop. If you have a shop and your sales, you are no more making sales and customers are not coming, the only thing you can do for me is to go to the bush and collect enough of that leaf. When you get this leaf, normally you have to wash it. When you wash it, you grind it very well. After grinding it, also normally you have to add small sea salt to it, grind it very well, and then use it to bath. Put it into a bucket of water and be using it to bath. And this bathing is normal bathing because you are not going to use soap or sponge. The only sponge you can use is native sponge. And while you are praying, say, as I'm bathing this thing now, let customers come. Let it drop customers to my side. You know why I say you should not use soap? After your normal bathing, you use this particular method now to rinse your body, and then you go and sleep. You can even do it in the morning while going to that your shop. You see marvelous things in your life. The business starts booming. That is why we call it do as I say. When you relax in your shop, customers be coming to buy and go. The leaves, the herbs you are using to bath now will do the remaining work to draw more customers to you, and you'll be surprised. This is the first step you can use for it. In another way, you can still use it to stop any form of promise and fail in your life. Go to any nearby bush, gather enough quantity of this particular do as I said. Gather it enough. Wash it very well with sea salt. Then after washing it very well with this sea salt, you put it inside clear pot or ordinary pot and boil it like 15 minutes. Then bring it down and sieve it. And sieve it, that particular water you have sieved out. Put 14 seeds of alligator pepper. Then you use it to be perfect. All this bathing must at least 2 to 3 days. You see changes in your life. As we are bathing and be praying, say anything promise and fail from anybody, today I stop it with this do as I say. And if anybody has promised me something, the person must always fulfill it. This is the prayer of this prayer, asking God Almighty to fulfill it in your life. This leaf, do as I say, is very, very powerful. When you practice this, you see great changes in your life. These are only the 2 important uses I can give you in this video. But in other preceding videos, I will say add more other uses of it. But I want you to practice this particular one. Now see how effective these herbs are to humankind. And you will be surprised how things will turn around for you. So I encourage you, when you watch the video and everything works out well and you're happy with the video, always share our videos, subscribe, and in the comments, you comment. If there are other directions you need from us, you can still answer your questions. We are all available. Our purpose is to serve you and serve mankind and show you and expose you to the powers in use and herbs. God bless you. Thank you very much.